Nowadays, we live in a global crisis called global warming, and everyone is looking for new alternatives to fight what is coming. One of the many causes of global warming is the excess of methane gas in the atmosphere, as well as of carbon dioxide. The thing about these gases is that they are mostly produced by livestock industry. But what happens if by changing the food that we are giving to the animals, the production of methane could be reduced? This research led us to the idea of doing a dispositive that could measure if there is a real change in the production of methane by changing the food of the chickens. This will be real by using a gas sensor and a temperature sensor in a test plate in the Arduino set, using the information that the system will collect to compare if there is a real difference by changing the food of the chickens. This project have a lot of strengths, being the main, the usefulness of research that will have, being functional inclusively for research in human health and global warming. With this project, we are going to be able to see the effects of food with which chickens are being fed in methane production. With the previous research, we understand the huge effects that methane gas has on health and on the environment. Understanding this problem, we can acknowledge that by knowing if food affects methane production, we can take certain actions in order to prevent the effects of the gas. On the other hand, there are still some inconveniences on the project. One of the weaknesses is our lack of information on the quantities of methane that a gas sensor can detect. Another one comes after the investigation. If the research yields to a negative result in the production of methane, it is really hard to convince the population to make the necessary changes in the chicken feed. This is mainly because of the prices. Healthy and organic food is more expensive, and if we use it, then the price of chicken will progressively grow, a decision that will not be a significant part of the population. But I ask you, how much are we willing to give for our planet and for our health? Think about it.